You are a virtual commercial pilot. You daydream of heavy metal, vast wingspans, and global reach. You demand the highest level of realism in your simulation and require that you fly nothing less than the best. You, Captain, are the proud owner of the PMDG 747-400. Something is missing. This virtual experience is lacking the feel of true knowledge and know-how. The real-world captains you are so envious of went through years and years of training. How then can you be expected to get by without training? You cannot. Angle of Attack is here to bridge the gap. We believe that you can become the true pilot in command of your aircraft with a small amount of effort. We bring you training through video so that you can take your simulation to a whole new level, flying how airline pilots fly and knowing what airline pilots know. Are you ready to take control? Captain, it is time to meet the Queen.